Hi everybody, welcome to another Britain's Best B-Roads. It's Christmas Eve and the part I was waiting for to fix the electric window off the 944 has arrived. So naturally I want to go out and fix the window. My wife isn't best pleased with that. She says I should be inside helping for preparations for Christmas, wrapping the last of the presents. I said it'll only take 10 minutes. She said, you always say it only takes 10 minutes and it never does, which is probably fair enough. But this time I said it really will just take 10 minutes. So much so that I'm going to time it. So here we go, I'm going to try and reassemble an electric window, including the door card, internal door card, within 10 minutes. I've got all the tools ready that I need, all my screws and bolts. When I took it apart, I put them into some sort of order, so they should all go back in the right place without too much persuasion. So let's just get started. Apologies, most of this you'll be looking at my back probably, or my shoulder. Right, so the first thing is to get the electric motor, which is this part here, and the regulator in. You can see the part that had broken off was this little roller here. See how that scissor works, there's a little roller on each part. So we need to get this in. And you would think it would go in that hole there because that looks like the biggest part, but actually I get the most joy with slotting it through the top part. Well, it came out of this hole anyway. Ah! Oh! This is the stressful bit. Need to be super careful with this bit because it drops. Then you have had it. Get your hand in there. That didn't go well. Ah! I think it has to go on this one first. Just have to use your fingers here. Oh, I'm in. I'm still on that one. Yes! Yeah. The window's shut, them on! The next thing is to... Oh no! No! Oh no! It's a disaster. Why is it doing that? Oh! The ratchet's set the wrong way. That feels good. Oh, this is moving, that's what you want. I'm missing a washer. So missing a washer. It's just a washer, we'll live without it. Oh, lost another washer. Yes. Get in. We'll just align the bolts, get them in each of the holes, just get a few threads on them so you can still move things round about. And now we will finger tighten everything, just give it a little shake about gently, not too vigorously. Let's turn the ignition on and see if it works. That didn't feel great, did it? Oh. Awesome! Thought that wasn't coming off there. Right, now you do have to check that it goes all the way to the bottom. And all the way to the top, and all the way to the bottom, and all the way to the top. Awesome, right. How are we doing for time? Now we need to put the door card back on. Off we go! Forgot to roll the plastic seal back up before putting this on. Take this back off again. I've just put in all of the screws that hold that bottom bit on, and then realised that the screw that I've got left is the one that should have gone in first. And you can't put that in while that's in there. So you take all of that back off again, put that one on first, and then put them all back on. Oh, okay. So there we have it, everybody. That's it done, and I maybe take a little bit more than 10 minutes, but the important thing is it's done. Still got some skin left in my knuckles, and that's it. Fixed. I guess a few screws and washers and nuts left, but they always put a few extra, don't they? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a lovely Christmas and New Year, and stay safe. See you next time. Bye bye. What? It won't. What? Why is it not going up properly? Why won't you go up? Go up, you back!